Hello, welcome to Metal and More Interiors. This is Dilip Kumar. So this is an aluminum honeycomb panel door, how we made this door, how its manufacturing was done, how we fixed the honeycomb pads in this, how we welded it. I will show you today at the Metal and More factory. This is completely pure aluminum sheet, that is aluminum. Many people, when they say aluminum, use aluminum composite panel. We do not use composite panel. What we use is completely pure aluminum sheet. We fill honeycomb in the middle of this. After filling the honeycomb, we neatly apply glue to it and weld all these corners. After welding, whatever finish you want on it, that finish laminate. So the honeycomb aluminum door is ready. On the front side, whatever color you want, that color laminate, acrylic shutter, whatever the finish. Otherwise, PU is available, then leather finish. Whatever finish you want, that finish will be available. It will be very strong, durable, lifetime warranty. We are doing that weight test. We have given a gap below here, nothing, just here. Here on the side, generally the shelf sits like that in the box. So let us test how much weight it can hold on a small support. This is a GI door. Almost each door weighs 10 kilos. It weighs 10 to 12 kilos. We are placing the third one too. There will be honeycomb inside. It will automatically take a maximum load capacity of 2 tons. The idle vehicle aluminum comes to us like this. What we do inside this is, we provide a provision for putting laminates on it. So aluminum comes on both sides. You get solid strength test. After doing that, this is a fluted laminate. That is fluted acrylic laminate. Inside, it will look like this for you. The surface will be like this. If you want fluted laminate in this, you can put fluted laminate. Whatever laminate you want, you can fill that laminate in this. You can put matte finish, you can put glossy, then you can put metallic. So it is your choice. And as for finishes, the choice is whatever choice you like, you will get that finish. So this becomes an unlimited option for you. In texture, if I say laminate, you will understand. You will have as many textures as you like, as many models as you like. So unlimited option with us. Besides this, we also have veneers. You can attach veneer too. However, you imagine it, we can make it that way. So if you look at our display too, all kinds of textures are in the display. You can see those too. Then we have the veneer display here. Then there are stone varieties, there are fluted panels, there is leather, there are classic models. In classic, there is leather, there are glass models, lacquered glass. However, many kinds of models you imagine, we can make all kinds in 3 materials. One is aluminum, second is stainless steel. This is PU in aluminum. Then second is GI, galvanized steel. Galvanized steel means it will be a little cost effective for you. So that is also a much better option. In that, acrylic for you. Then in this, leather finish laminate. Then PU. In all materials, all kinds of finishes, all kinds of models, whatever we have, all of those will be available to you. So visit Metal and More Interiors once. See the price range too. We have from basic to premium range. So visit our store right now once. I request you to get your quotation. Thank you.